Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are out here at the pond. Oh, look at that. Setting up Fritz and Frida Fredrickson, my frog couple. Dory's Dollies and I are doing a collab today. Be sure to go by and see what Dory brings. We each have these little girl frogs. They aren't so little, are they?
No, they're not.
What are they, 15 inches?
Yeah.
15-inch articulated frogs. If you notice their hands, every finger has joints. But what we did today is make dresses for our girl frogs. Let's take a look at that dress. These dolls are so articulated. She was trying to hug me while I was trying to set her up to show you the dress. I absolutely love these frog dolls. Joni at Joni's Doll Photography also has these articulated frogs. Hers are a little smaller and boys, or we would have asked her to join in today. All right, let's take a look at this little summer dress was the idea of the challenge. And as you can see, I found a summer, I can't get that. Oh, there you go.
Her shoulder's dislocated.
Yeah. Little summer print with frogs on it I thought was cute. She wanted a lot of lace to show she was a female. Look at these eyes. They even are articulated. And hers are glow in the dark.
Like any good frog.
Like any good frog, yeah. So her little dress, I started with the vest pattern that I use for Fritz, and then I cut the bottom off a little different. Here comes Rennie again. You might as well just film her. Everybody wants to see how big she is now, 6 months old. So I was saying before Rennie came in how articulated, they're even articulated at the body up top at the breast. Very, very cool dolls. Darren 3D printed these from Thingiverse. It is a free model or pattern. Anyway, I took that vest pattern and then I just added a skirt, and I think she looks real cute. And then I also made Fritz a little vest from the same pattern. I do not like that fancy Velcro. I like the old school kind that really sticks when you put it together. This is just too soft. But I made him a matching vest, and his is, I was going to do this with Frida, and I thought it'd be easier just to make a whole nother dress for her. But I also did a reverse with other little frogs.
That's really cute.
Thank you. Please go by and see what Dory made for us today. This was a really fun collab, and I'm looking forward to our next one. I think it's July. We have another frog collab, and Joni from Joni's Doll Photographies, who I mentioned earlier, will be joining us with her frogs. You will not want to miss that. These guys stand on their own too. They are just the coolest little frogs. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more. Once in a while, we're funny or have a good video.